I'd like to welcome you all and thank you for sharing us this very important moment in the life of the Arab Academy for Science, Technology and Maritime Transport. Throughout these 50 years, AASTMT has not only been educating and training maritime professionals of all cadres in the Arab world, Africa and the Middle East, but also acting as the region's main center of excellence for maritime research and consultancy.
So I'd like to thank my friend, President Ismail Farak, for hosting this conference and his entire team for hosting the AGA and the International Executive Board. This was a big commitment at this time to step up and show the leadership to host this organization at a time when we're going through a transition back to hopefully normal, whatever that is. But this, and sir, your leadership and your institution has allowed us to be together again. And as I said last night, it's very much like a family and a family reunion. I've gotten to know people from all over the world who work in the maritime sector, and we will move this sector forward together.
Hello, my name is Knut Benedikt. I'm from Germany, specifically from the Wismar University of Applied Sciences, Maritime Studies, and I'm attending these conferences for several times, and I should say that this organization here is outstanding. The facilities are superb, and we really enjoyed the stay here. And specifically, I like to be very grateful that here in Alexandria, this academy took over the challenge to organize this conference hopefully at the end of the pandemic. And so we are very grateful that you did the job for here.
My name is Germán de Melo. I'm a professor from the Faculty of Nautical Studies of the Polytechnic University of Catalonia, Barcelona, Spain. And I am attending this international conference about the maritime transport and environment. And this conference is organized by the International Association of Maritime University and for the Arab Academy in Alexandria.
I'm Tamara Gilmartin. I'm an assistant professor at SUNY Maritime College in New York, where I teach marine navigation and subjects along those lines. I have a Chief Mate Unlimited license, and so I do a lot of work on the training vessel at SUNY Maritime as well. I've thought it's been an absolutely wonderful experience here at this university, and I think everybody's been very welcoming and very interesting to speak with, and it's a wonderful campus, absolutely beautiful. So thank you very much for having us.